Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about pharmaceutics. Pharmaceutics is the branch of pharmacy that deals with the conversion of new chemical substance to proper dosage form. Or pharmaceutics is the discipline of pharmacy that deals with the process of turning a new chemical substance into a medicine to be used safely and effectively by patients. Pharmacist, any person who holds B Pharmacy or Pharm D, Doctor of Pharmacy, degree of Pakistan Pharmacy Council recognized University of College, and furthermore he has a registration certificate from Provincial Council is known as pharmacist. The Provincial Council enters the name of respectively pharmacist in Register A. Pharmacy technician, any person that hold diploma in pharmacy from Pakistan Pharmacy Council recognized university or college, and furthermore he has a registration certificate from Provincial Council is known as pharmacy technician. The Provincial Council enters the name of respective pharmacist in Register B. According to Pharmacy Act 1967, pharmacist means a person who is registered under section 24 in Register A or Register B. Role and responsibilities of pharmacy technician. A pharmacy technician, also sometimes known as a pharmaceutical technician, health care worker who performs pharmacy related functions, generally working under the direct supervision of a licensed pharmacist or other health professional. Pharmacy technicians work in a variety of locations like community pharmacy, retail pharmacy, hospital pharmacy, pharmaceutical manufacturers, or other health care units of government or NGOs. Job duties include dispensing prescription drugs and other medical devices to patients, and instructing on their use. They may also perform administrative duties. Pharmaceutics practice such as reviewing prescription requests with doctors' offices to ensure correct medications are provided and payment is received. In recent times, they also speak directly with the patients on the phone to aid in the awareness of taking medication on time. Pharmacy is the branch of medical science that deals with the study of discovery, development, and synthesis, manufacturing, action, quality assurance, distributing, regulated affairs, clinical uses, and marketing patterns of drugs is called pharmacy. Pharmacy is a health profession that links health science with chemical sciences and aims to ensure the safe and effective use of pharmaceutical drugs. Type of pharmacies. There are different specialized of pharmacy as following: hospital pharmacy, clinical pharmacy, retail or community pharmacy, industrial pharmacy, franchise pharmacy, compounding pharmacy, military pharmacy, veterinary pharmacy, online pharmacy, pharmaceutical marketing and management, nuclear pharmacy. Hospital pharmacy. Hospital pharmacy is a department or service in a hospital. Responsible for the supply of medications to hospital wards as well as ambulatory patients. The pharmacist working in hospital pharmacy is known as hospital pharmacist. Aims and objectives of hospital pharmacy. We will discuss about aims and objective of hospital pharmacy in other video. Thanks for watching my video. Allah Hafiz. We will meet in new video. Kindly subscribe the bell icon and like and comment my videos.